In this video, we're making South Indian style coconut oats. The ingredients are oats, olive oil, mustard, peanuts, chana dal, grated coconut, green chilies, turmeric, cumin, asafoetida, salt, ginger, lemon juice, curry leaves, and coriander leaves. If you're not able to find all of these ingredients, chana dal can be replaced with yellow split peas, asafoetida can be replaced with a mix of onion powder and garlic powder, coriander leaves can be replaced with fresh parsley, and curry leaves can be replaced with lime zest. Another optional ingredient for serving is plain yogurt. Start by heating oil in a pot with mustard, cumin, chana dal, and peanuts. Add and saute asafoetida, ginger, green chilies, and curry leaves. Pour in 2 tablespoons of water and add turmeric and salt, then gently stir in the oats. Cover and cook on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the heat and mix in the coconut and coriander. Serve either by itself or over yogurt. Scan the QR code on the screen for tips for a healthy South Asian inspired diet.